Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to do a really neutral smoky eye. This is going to be a really neutral look that you can wear to the shops, you can wear it to work, you can wear it as your everyday look. So if you're interested in how to do a neutral eye, then please keep on watching. So I've already started today. I've done my base. That's something that I've already shown you guys how I do already, so I didn't feel like you guys needed to watch that in this video. So I've gone ahead and I've done my foundation, I've done my concealing. The only thing I haven't concealed is under my eyes. If I've already started off and done my foundation base, I tend to conceal under my eye after I finished the eye look. My reasoning for that is because of any fallout that comes through from the product. So if you do get any fallout from the look, all you need to do is wipe it away with a tissue or a wet wipe and then go ahead and conceal under your eyes. So I've also gone ahead and prepped my eyelids with the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Painterly. I've gone ahead and buffed that in over my entire eyelid all the way up to my brow bone, and then I've gone ahead and set it with just a translucent setting powder on top. Now we're good to start our look, so let's go. So for this look today, we're not going in to create anything too heavy or too over the top. It really is just going to be a neutral, nice, smoky eye that you can wear from day to day. So today we're going to create our eye look using the Makeup Revolution Neutrals versus Neutrals makeup palette. To start off today, we're going to go in with this base color right here, which is a nice matte, almost whitish kind of bone color. So just take your brush and buff that over the entire eye area, right up to that brow bone. This is going to create the base for all of your blending of your eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with this taupe color here and use it in my crease. So just get a nice fluffy brush and take that color in the natural crease of your eye. Now if you do have hooded eyes, take it slightly higher than your natural crease so that you can see it when your eyes are open. You just want to go back and forth with that color, keeping majority of the color on the outer corner. We're going to go back in with another fluffy clean brush and just buff that out even more, making sure that there's no harsh lines. Next, we're going to go in with a little bit of this dark chocolate brown color and just give the eye a little bit more definition. So using that same brush that you used before to put the color into your crease, go into that chocolate brown color and just take it on the outer edge. And remember, if you're having trouble blending, all you need to do is get a little bit of translucent powder or a little bit of the base color that you used to begin with. Pop that on the end of your brush and just use that to blend in the color. Next, I'm going to go back in with this taupe color that we used on our crease, and I'm just going to pack some of that onto my eyelid. So all you need to do is take that color and I'm just going to pack it on the outer corner of my eye. So I'm not going to take it all the way to the inner corner because we're going to go in there with a much lighter color. Next, we're going to go in with this lovely shimmer pink color, and that's what we're going to use on our inner corner. So grab a slightly smaller packing brush and you just want to take that in the inner corner all the way back into the middle to meet that taupe color that we've just placed on the outer corner. Next, we're going to go in with this color here, which is very similar to the taupe color, but it does have a shimmer through it. And we're just going to blend that where the middle of the two colors meet. So I'm actually going to use it on my finger. I just find that it's a little bit more easy when you use your finger when you're doing this little middle bit. So just really lightly tap that in the middle of your eye to just help blend in those two colors so there's no harsh lines between the two of them. Now before I start on the bottom lash line, I'm going to go in and finish concealing under the eyes. So I finished concealing under my eyes. I've actually gone in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer. This one's in C4 for my skin complexion. I actually really love this concealer for under the eyes. It's got really high coverage for those dark circles. It says what it is, which is hydrate under the eyes. And by the end of the day, I don't see any creases. So I always use this under my eyes, but do make sure that you powder over the top with a translucent powder. My powder that I use, which is always my go-to powder that you guys have probably seen on my channel before, is once again the Nikkia Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder. So once concealing those eyes, I'm going to go back in with the light pink color that we used on the inner corner. So I'm just going to take that pink color and I'm just going to keep it on the inner corner of my bottom lash line. Next, go back in with that light brown taupe color and take that on the outer corner of your lash line, blending it in towards the pink. So starting on the outer corner, blend that in. You want to create that really smoky look under the eye. To get that smoky look, all you need to do is just keep going back and forth with your brush. Next, let's go back in with this chocolate brown color. We just want to add a tiny little bit of that to the outer corner. So keep that dark brown color right at the end here. But again, blend it in towards the lighter colors. Okay, so I went ahead and did my mascara behind camera using my be all and end all holy grail. I've seen it here before. This is the Maybelline Big Shot Colossal Volume Express. This is in Blackest Black from Maybelline. So that's pretty much our eye look finished. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to finish my base using some of my holy grail products. So for bronzer today, as I said, I'm going to be using a lot of my holy grail products that you guys have probably seen before. I'm actually going to go in with the Butter Bronzer. This one is in the shade Bronzer. This one's a really lovely satin bronzer, and I just think it gives a really nice sun-kissed glow to the skin. So just starting with the cheeks, I'm going to go all over the cheeks, just like this, right up in this kind of a C shape along my forehead, and just buff that in all the way along that C shape. Taking it down just under your chin ever so lightly. And I always like to put a little bit on my nose and also my chin. So pretty much the areas that would see the sun first. Now I'm actually going to go in with one of my favorite blush palettes. This one's from Makeup Revolution, and this one is their Sugar and Spice blush palette. I am going to go in with their number 3 blush just here, which is like a nice pale pink peachy kind of color. And then I am actually going to use this white pink shimmer here as my highlight today. If you are afraid of using blush and you're not used to it and worried that you're going to put too much on and look like a clown, we've all been there, I feel ya. So all you need to do is just get a little bit of product on your brush and just tap the excess product onto your hand, so majority of the color actually ends up on your hand rather than on your face. Then take your brush when you've got only a small amount on there and just go in and lightly tap that onto the skin. My best advice for makeup is to start off with less and then add more if you want. It's much harder to take away than it is to add. Next, I'm going to go in with that shimmery white pink color and just highlight all the areas on my face that I need to. So I'm starting here with the top of my cheekbones and just creating like a C shape towards my eyebrow. I've done a slight amount down the bridge of my nose. I've done just a little bit on my Cupid's bow. Now I'm going to go in and do just underneath my brow bone here. And then lastly, just go into this inner corner right here near your tear duct and place a little bit of your highlighter there as well. It really helps to open up the eyes. Another great tip to open up those eyes is to use a really light colored eyeliner on your waterline. So I'm actually going to take this NYX pencil here. This is their Wonder Pencil, and as you can see, it looks more like a concealer kind of shade. So it's not white. I find that white can be very stark on your eyes and a little bit too unnatural. So I like to go in with the more natural toned ones and just brighten my eyes using those. So just pull your waterline down just slightly and go in with your skin colored eyeliner and just put that all over your waterline. For my lip gloss today, I'm actually going to go in with the Makeup Revolution. This is their lip topper in Exquisite. So this one's just, it's a clear but very, very shimmery lip topper. So this is the completed neutral smoky eye look. You guys can make this what you want by adding a little bit of pop of color if you wanted to add that on the outer corner of the eye, or even maybe a colored eyeliner in the waterline rather than the neutral colored one. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll put all the links to all the products that I've used down below in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button down below and also tick the little bell symbol to make sure that you're notified of any new videos that I upload. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments section below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!